Rigid Constructors specializes in mass excavation and earthwork projects. Well, this is a regional detention pond involving over 6 million cubic yards of excavation.
We mainly fool with a bunch of construction sites with retention ponds, anywhere from any type of layout that consists of dirt work.
We started about 3 years ago working with SITECH, and since then it's definitely taken off. Most of our dozer units have GPS furnished by SITECH.
The productivity that comes behind that, with SITECH assisting us with all the firmware, all the software, all of the survey equipment needs, and even classes, makes us do the job more productively.
You know, it saves us a lot of time, a lot of money. You know, being able to go back and do things in one pass. It shows where all our outlines are, all our grades. You know, there's no second guess and no question anything. It's all there.
In SITECH, I would say one of the biggest benefits that they offer is their service. In addition to the latest state-of-the-art technology, they also are very responsive. Anytime we have issues with the equipment, they're always quick to respond or send a tech on site.
I would recommend SITECH in choosing them, especially if you're running Trimble GPS survey equipment and grade control equipment. They are the biggest supporter in Louisiana that I know of.